If you've been using Microsoft Copilot and you're wondering how to delete your activity history, you're not alone. Whether it's for privacy cleanup or just peace of mind, knowing how to remove that data matters. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it across the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Now you might wonder, why would you want that? After all, everywhere you look, it says that it's your Copilot, and other people cannot see this conversation, which is true. But what if you share your screen on a Teams meeting and open up an app that has Copilot, or you do a Copilot training and you want to show others some prompts, but you don't want them to see all the practices or the tries you did? Well then, all your history will show up on the screen for everyone to see, whether it's in Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat or inside a Teams conversation. That history is kept there, including all the previous answers. So let's learn how to delete it, and it will only take 30 seconds. So I'm here in Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. You see, if I would share my screen or put this up on a meeting, you would see all my recent conversations. Or if I would go to Teams right now, you see inside Copilot, I have all the history of what I asked it for this meeting. What if I want to reset that and not have any of that show up? What you can do simply from the Microsoft 365 portal here, you can click on your name, click on View Account, and this will take you to myaccount.microsoft.com. From here, and let me zoom in a bit, you simply have to go to Settings and Privacy, then go to Privacy, Copilot Activity History, and then select Delete History. Now it will ask you what Copilot activity history you want to delete. We will check M365 Copilot, click on Delete. Now it will take anywhere between 30 seconds to maybe 10-15 minutes, and all that history will be gone. That's it. That's the only thing you have to do. This will work on all apps with Copilot activity history. So all your Microsoft 365 apps like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Teams, as well as online apps such as Forms, Loop, Planner, Whiteboard, and Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. That's it for this video. If you have more Copilot privacy questions, drop them in the comments below, whether it's deleting history, managing permissions, or understanding what Copilot sees. I'm happy to help. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, make sure you like it and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and you'll see some videos on your screen right now that you should definitely check out next.